All right, welcome back everybody. We're going to be talking some more about order of operations today and being able to talk a little bit of kind of a real world situation. So this problem that we're going to do is something that I actually had to do when I was working in business. So hopefully it makes you feel better about word problems. Probably not, but that's okay. I don't know if we'll ever get over the fact that word problems are just uncomfortable, but when it's in the real world, you don't even think about it being a real word problem. I was thinking today and I was like, man, listening to some training and this person was doing something in the training and I found myself just watching that person do that little thing over and over again. And so hopefully I'm not doing anything that you're finding annoying in these videos and you're only watching me do that. Anyway, I thought that I was like, man, I really hope my videos don't look like that. So we're going to talk about this word problem. Like I said, I got this directly from something, or well, I changed a few things, but this was something that I did in my job-related work. So I'll read the problem to you. I'll probably read it again. So for sales, okay? Your school's booster club sells t-shirts, school t-shirts. Half the t-shirts come from one supplier at a cost of C at $5.95 each. So $5.95 each. So we said that C was there. So that's a supplier. Okay, that's kind of like a manufacturer or a distributor. Half of the other supplier at a cost of S, which is $6.15. So the average cost in dollars of a t-shirt is given by the expression this. So C plus S divided by 2. Let's find the average cost. So this would be an order of operations problem. This is a really simple one that you can do, and you can do this all the time. The average cost. So whenever we're working with averages, we're going to be dividing by the number that is given, okay? And so if we did another problem like this where we had 4 suppliers and you wanted to know the average cost of the material that you had, you would divide by that number. For this one it's 2, and so let's look at this. Okay, so I'm going to replace C with this C, or so $5.95 with this C, and $6.15 with this. So let's go ahead and do that. So $5.95 added to $6.15. Okay. So taking a look at that for a second. So 5.95 plus 6.15. Oh, I guess there's a lot of 5s in here. Look what I did. Putting in another 5. Okay. So, like I said, sometimes it's good just to double check of what you're doing before you get going too far into the problem. Okay, so our average cost would be to add these here. Okay, and now in the last video I talked about with the order of operations with these division problems is that usually the top won't affect the bottom and vice versa until they are the last things to do, which we talked about the top and the bottom. This is a fraction, but it's also dividing. Now I would need to add this first, okay, and then divide by 2. So if I did that, added it first and divided by 2, my average cost, okay, would be $6.05. Okay, and so if you're, the reason that this is important is so that you can look at the money that you're trying to make and how much to charge for that shirt. Okay, and that way you're not, trying to charge too much, but being able to still make money. Okay, so there you go. There's our problem. Went real quick. real quick for a problem in the real world. All right. Hopefully that went good for you. We'll see you in the next video.